Isa sa mga best fried chicken for me ang Taiwanese-Style fried chicken. Ang sarap lang ng blend ng peppers and yung crunch niya, and this is how you make it. Meron ako ditong szechuan peppercorns from Spice Up. Grenade ko lang, then gumawa ako ng pepper mix by adding white pepper, black pepper, and salt. Mas prefer ng family ko ang bite-sized fried chicken kaya kinot ko into cubes. Then marinate with soy sauce, mirin, grated garlic, a teaspoon of the pepper mix, teaspoon of potato starch, then mix. Add 1 egg, then i-marinate natin for at least 30 minutes. After that, ang pang-coat na ginamit ko is potato starch para mas crunchy. After that, magpainit na tayo ng oil, medium-high heat lang, then fry the chicken. Huwag natin i-overcrowd yung pan, then fry this until ma-fully cook lang yung chicken, then set aside. Let this cool down a little bit kasi i-double fry natin to later. Super dami ko na nagawa for just 2 pieces of chicken breast. Medyo matalsik lang to pero i-fry natin ang Thai basil until a bit crunchy. Once naka-rest na yung chicken natin, pwede na natin siyang i-double fry. High heat to dapat and yung second fry natin is about 2 minutes lang until maging crunchy yung balat. Ayan na, easy lang no, golden brown and crunchy, yum. Set aside lang muna natin, then let the oil drain. I like assembling this sa plate with a paper towel. Then, ilagay lang natin generously yung pepper mix na ginawa natin a while ago. Ang gusto ko sa homemade, nako-control ko yung dami ng salt. This is not too salty at all. And you can add chili powder if you want this spicy. Top with the crunchy Thai basil leaves, and this is so good. That's all. Sana makagawa din kayo ng sarili niyong Taiwanese-style fried chicken at home.